2012 Hyundai Sonata. With less than 68,000 miles on the odometer, this sedan combines safety and comfort with style and performance. Enjoy the many extra comfort and convenience features included, such as satellite radio, heated side view mirrors, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist, power outlet, keyless entry, front bucket seats, steering wheel audio controls, auxiliary input. This is a top-rated dealer. Not finding what you're looking for? Give us your feedback. If you're in the market for a new Chrysler, Jeep, Dodge, Ram, or a pre-owned car, truck, or SUV, Smith Haven's skilled, knowledgeable, and experienced staff will help you purchase and service the vehicle of your dreams for years to come. A 5-star family dealership committed to quality and customer service since 1969. Smith Haven carries the reputation as one of Long Island's most trusted Chrysler, Jeep, Dodge, Ram dealers for over 45 years.